Hello Junior 2, it's nice to be with you today and I hope you are well. Let's start our revision today. Please open page number 1. Draw money to show the amount. We have here 224 LE. Let's start with the first banknote, which is 100 LE. And we can draw two notes of 100 to make 200 and 24, one note of 20, and 4 note of 1. 1 and 1 LE and 1 LE and 1 LE. Okay. Question number 2, count the amount and write the total. We have here 100 LE and 50 LE, 20 LE, and 3 notes of 10 and 2 notes of 1. Okay? 100 plus 50, 150, plus 20, 170, plus 10, 180, plus 10, 190, plus 10, 200, and we have 2 notes of 1, 202. Then the total, 202 LE. Can you buy the car? This car, 183, and we have 202. Yes, we can buy this car. The third question here, build 234 LE using the place value money made. 234, we start in 100, we draw 2 notes of 100. And in tens, we draw 3 notes of 10. And in ones, we have 4, so we draw 4 notes of 1. Okay. Question number 4. Mustafa has 123 LE if he bought a chocolate bar for 15 LE. What is the remainder with him? What is the meaning of remainder? We use plus or minus. Excellent, minus. So we start with the greatest number, which is 123. We write 123 LE minus 15 LE. And when we subtract, we start with ones. 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 doesn't work, so we go to the next place, which is tens place. We have here 2. So we put 1 from 2. So 2 become 1, and these 3 become 13. Now we subtract using the new numbers. 13 minus 5 equals 8. Excellent. And 1 minus 1, 0. And 1 minus 0, 1. 108 LE. Page number 2. Which number is an even number? We have here 43, 25, 16, 101. Okay, we go to ones, we look at ones, we have here 3 in the first number, and here we have 5, and here we have 6, and here we have 1. Which one is an even? Excellent, 16. Number 2, the rule of the pattern 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 become 10. We add what? We add 5. And 10 become 15. So we add also 5. So the rule here plus 5. Question number 3. The sum of what is an odd number? Here the sum is what? The sum means plus. 2 plus 2, 4. And 3 plus 5, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. And 8 plus 6, 14. So the sum of what is an odd? The sum of 3 and 4. Question number 4, the pattern 12, 15, 14, 17. What is the rule here? Okay. 12 become 15, so we add 3. And 15 become 14 minus 4. So what is the rule? Plus 3 minus 1. Plus 3 minus 1. What is the name of this array? We have here 2 rows and 4 columns. So the array what by what? 2 by 4. Which of the following extends the pattern? 42, 45, 48, 51, 54. 42 become 45, plus 3. And 45 become 48 plus 3. So the rule here plus 3. Then 54 plus 3 equals 57. And 57 plus 3, 60. Excellent. 57 and 60. Question number 7. The repeated addition equation of the opposite array. Okay, we have here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. The last one, we choose the last one. Which of the following pattern is following the rule minus 3? 50 become 48, this rule is minus 2. And 10 becomes 13, we have here plus 3, the rule. And 15 become 12, we subtract 3 minus 3. So we choose the third one, 15, 12, 9, 6. Page number 3. What is the sum of 549 plus 328? We start with, excellent, start with ones. 9 plus 8. We put the greater number in your mind and raise 8 finger. Count after 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we write 7 and raise 1 to the next place. 1 plus 4, 5, and 5 plus 2, 7. Then we go to 100, 5 plus 3, 8. 877. Question number 2. What is the sum of 652 plus 154? Again, we start with ones. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 5 plus 5, 10. We write 0 and raise 1 to the next place. 1 plus 6, 7, and 7 plus 1, 8. 806. Question number 3. What is the sum of 246 plus 357? 6 plus 7. Put 7 in your mind and raise 6 fingers. Count after 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We write 3 and raise 1 to the next place. We put 1 over 4. 1 plus 4, 5, excellent. And 5 plus 5, 10. We write 0 and raise 1 to the next place. 1 plus 2, 3, and 3 plus 3, 6. 603. Question number 4. 76 rounded to the nearest 10. What is the 10 before and 10 after 70? 10 before 70 and the 10 after 80. 76 is closer to what? We have here 6 grade number. So we take what? 80, excellent. Number 5. 680 rounded to the nearest 100 equals what? What is the 100 before and 100 after? The 100 before, 600. And the 100 after, 700. We have here 80 is grade, so we take what? 700. What is the estimation of the sum 16 plus 53? 16 using what? By using round to the nearest 10, 16 is closer to 20. Excellent. And 53 is closer to what? 50. And 20 plus 50, 0 plus 0, 0. And 2 plus 5, 7, 70. Number 7, what is the estimation of the difference 280 minus 110? By using front-end strategy. In front-end strategy, we go to the highest place value and write the value of these numbers. What is the highest place value here? 100. So what is the value of 2? 200. Minus what is the value of 1 here? 100. So 200 minus 100 equals 100. Number 8, a garden has 259 apple trees and 348 orange trees. How many trees are there in the garden? We need the all trees, so we put what? Plus, excellent. We write what plus what? 259 plus 348. Start with ones. 9 plus 8, 17. We write 7 and raise 1 to the next place. And 1 plus 5, 6. And 6 plus 4, 10. We put 0 and raise 1 to the next place. 1 plus 2, 3. And 3 plus 3, 6. 607. Open page number 4. What is the difference between 52 and 26? 52 minus 26. We start with what? We start with ones. 2 minus 6 doesn't work. We go to next place. So 5 become 4 and 2 become 12. And 12 minus 6. 6 we count after 6 to reach 12. We get 6. And 4 minus 2, 2. So the answer 26. What is the difference between 814 minus 361? Start with ones. 4 minus 1, 3. And 1 minus 6 doesn't work. So 8 become 7 and this one become 11. 11 minus 6, 5. And 7 minus 3 equals 4. 453. Number 3. Which of the following is not fact family for 5, 8, 13? In fact family, we must have the three numbers together, 5, 8, 13. Look at the first one, we have here 5 plus 8 equals 13. And 13 minus 5 equals 8. And 18 minus 5 equals 13. 18 not in the fact family, in our family. So this is not fact family. What plus 14 equals 74? To find the missing number here, we subtract 74 minus 14. 4 minus 4, 0. And 7 minus 1, 6. 60. Number 5, what is the difference? 670 minus 246. We start with ones. 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6 doesn't work. We go to next place. 7 becomes 6 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 6, 4. And 6 minus 4, 2. And 6 minus 2, 4. 424. Question number 6. 69 equals what plus 20? To find the missing number, we subtract 9 minus 0, 9. And 6 minus 2, 4. 49. Question number 7. According to the fact, 53 minus 10 equals 43, which is the following is right. Look at the first one. 3 minus 0, 3. And 5 minus 3, 2. So the following is right. Question number 8. At school there are 329 boys and 281 girls. How many more? How many more means what? Means minus. So we write 329 minus 281. Start with ones. 9 minus 1, 8. And 2 minus 8 doesn't work. So 3 become 2 and 2 become 12. And 12 minus 8, 4, 48. 48. Open page number 5. Choose a fraction of the colored part. Look at the first one. Excellent. 4th, 1 over 4. And the third. Okay. And here we have what? Excellent. 3/4, 3 over 4. And this shape, 2 over 3. And this shape, 1/2. Excellent. Question number 2, write the fraction. The fraction of the red flowers. We have here what? 3 red. And the all flowers, 4, 3 over 4. The fraction of the blue car, we have here 1 blue. And the all cars, 2. And the fraction of the orange notebook, we have here 2 orange. And the all books, 3. Question number 3, join. We have here, this is called what? 3/4 or 3/4. Where's 3/4? Okay. And half here, third here, 2/3 here. Question number 4. Muhammad had 4 candies and he ate 3 of the candies. What the fraction of the candy is left? Okay. He had 4 and ate 3. Then the remainder is 1. Okay, so the fraction is 1, the remainder, over the all candies 4. Fourth or 1/4, quarter, or quarters. Open page number 6. The sum of 283 and 564. We start with what? We start with ones. 3. The sum means what? The sum means plus 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 8 plus 6 equals 14. We write 4 and raise 1. 1 plus 2, 3, and 3 plus 5, 8. 847. The difference of 877 and 629. The difference means what? Means minus. Start with 1, 7 minus 9 doesn't work. So go to the next place, 7 becomes 6. And this 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9 equals 8. And 6 minus 2 equals 4. And 8 minus 6 equals 2. 248. 248. 593 plus 157. 3 plus 7 equals 10. We write 0 and raise 1 to the next place. 1 plus 9, 10. And 10 plus 5, 15. We write 5 and raise 1 to the next place. 1 plus 5, 6. Plus 1, 7. 750. Which of the following represent the shaded array? We have here 3 rows and 4 columns. So this array is what by what? 3 by 4. Number 5, use a pictograph. How many pupils like math? Each book equals 10 and half book equals 5. Count math. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. Question number 6, use a graph. How many more children ride the bus than walking? How many more means minus. What minus what? Ride the bus equals 45 minus walking 15. 5 minus 5 equals 0. And 4 minus 1, 30. 30 children, 30 children. Amgad has a book with 359 pages and he read 168 pages. How many pages are left? Left means what? Minus excellent 359 minus 168. 68. 9 minus 8 equals 1, and 5 minus 6 doesn't work, so 3 become 2 and 5 become 15. 15 minus 6 equals 9, and 2 minus 1, 1. 191 pages. Henny bought a toy for 150 pounds and a teddy bear for 169 pounds. How much money did he pay in all? Means what? In all means plus. 150 plus 169. 0 plus 9, 9. 5 plus 6, 11. We write 1 and raise 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 319 pounds. Page number 7. Write the value of 5 in each number. 5 here in tens, what is the value of 5? 50. 5 here in 100, what is the value of 5? 500. And 5 here in ones, what is the value? 5. Put greater than, equals to, or less than. 831, 829. Excellent, 831. 477, 608. We have here 400 and here 600, so the greater is 600. 199, 200. We have here 100 and here 200. We choose 200. Complete each pattern. 72 becomes 74 plus 2. Okay, so 76 plus 2, 78 plus 2, 80 plus 2, 82. 95, 85, 75 minus 10. So 75 minus 10, 65, 55, 45. 214, 314, 414 plus 100. 514, 614, 714. We follow the rule here. Plus 5, 21, plus 5, 26, plus 5, 31, plus 5, 36, plus 5, 41, plus 5, 46. 76 minus 4, 72, minus 4, 68, minus 4, 64, minus 4, 60, minus 4, 56. Okay. Right and odd or even. We look at ones. 8 is even, so 58 is even. 7 is odd, so 77 is odd. Look at ones. 3 is odd, so 43 is odd. Here 0 even, so 20 is even. Write the fact family. 8, 15, 7. We start with the smaller numbers. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Then we switch the two numbers. 7 plus 8 equals 15. And in minus, start with the greatest number. 15 minus 7 equals 8. And 15 minus 8 equals 7. So 68 to the nearest 10. What is the 10 before and 10 after? We have here 60 and the 10 after 70. We have here 8 in ones. 8 is Grady, we know that 5 or more, we take the greatest number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in ones, we take the greatest number. So we take 70. 290 to the nearest 100 equals what? The 100 before 200 and after 300. We have here 90, so we choose what? 9 is greedy, we choose 300. How many row here? 2. And the columns? 4. Excellent. So this array is what by what? 2 by 4. And to find the number of apples or the totals, we write the addition equation. We can write 4 2 times 4 plus 4 equals what? Equals 8. Or we can repeat it 2 4 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals what? Equals 8. Complete. We have here expanded form 600 plus 50 plus 3. Write it in standard form 653. And we have here 981. We can decompose 981 equals 900 plus 80 plus 1. 45 plus 200, 245, and 862, 2 plus what? 860.